Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to send TikTok videos to someone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to send TikTok videos to someone, go and tap open your TikTok application first. Sign into your account if necessary, and once you're in, go to the video that you would like to share. Let me share this video out here. In order to share your video, you'll need to go ahead and tap on this arrow button at the bottom right. Tap it on and there will be an expanded menu pop up. Now, under Share to menu, you'll be able to see lots of options from where you can send a video to one of your contacts. You can share it with direct message on TikTok, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, and so on. In order to share a video via TikTok direct message, tap on message option. Now, select the person that you'd like to send the text message to and tap on send. Once you do that, they'll be able to receive the video that you've shared in their inbox. The contact that you shared the video can now download the video that you sent with just a single tap. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.